Have your solutions really resulted in job losses?
So I think this question is the number one question, right? And if you see the latest Economist cover also, it's about job workopolis. I think the lens has to shift, right? There are two macro things that AI is going to enable, right? Number one is that everyone is a manager now, right? The entry-level position of being a programmer and all, I think Neeraj has seen that, of someone maybe entering the workforce 15 years ago, right? And just being somebody productive was, you're a contributor, here's your role, right? Now, day one when you're entering the workforce, we're telling him, here, 5 very intelligent agents ready for you. How are you going to coordinate this? How are you going to orchestrate this? You're still accountable. We are going to hold you for the result. But here are these powerful tools. So the first change is you become an orchestrator. Right?
Okay.
The second is the enablement of the SME, of the small company, of the entrepreneur. Right?
Okay.
The journey, and I think, Rohit, you must have seen that. Right? When you started off in 2015, you still needed to have a critical mass of people. Right? Today, the Darwin box of the future may be created by somebody who may have a team of just 4 people, right? Because he can have these agents. We are going to see entrepreneurship just explode, because earlier where you said, oh, I need an accounting guy, I need a guy who manages this, a person who manages that. Now, day one, you have Claude on your side, you have OpenAI, and you have Gemini.
Right.
And you have the best of the world working for you at $20 a month.
Right.
How does that explode entrepreneurship, right? So, and you do create jobs, but you create different jobs.
True.
You create companies which are 50 people strong, which are creating global impact, rather than 10,000 people companies which maybe they're 10 off. Now you have 50 people companies which are hundreds of.
Okay.
So that's the change.